Ever wanted to make a change, but your mind keeps getting in the way? Here's how to use Reiki to change your mindset. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from QuantumUpgrade.com. I create content for Reiki practitioners, lightworkers, and those interested in using Reiki energy to enhance, heal, and raise their vibration. What's your current mindset? What operating system are you running on? Here's an analogy. Mac users. Are you on the latest version, the Monterey 12.0 and higher? PC users. Are you on the latest, which is Windows 11? Or are you still on Windows 8? Here's how you can use Reiki to change your mindset. First, figure out what you've been running on. Chances are, if you are watching this video, you recognize that you've been running the fear-based system for some time now. Clearing subconscious negativity. Start by clearing out your space. Doing so sends a signal to your subconscious that you are ready to start clearing your subconscious clutter. Number 1, focus on the good things. Number 2, practice gratitude by keeping a gratitude journal. Number 3, open up to laughing more or smiling more. Number 4, spend time with positive people. Number 5, practice positive self-talk. Number 6, start every day on a positive note. How to improve your mindset. Start by making a list of what you've been challenged with. Then send Reiki energy to each one daily. Using Reiki energy is the most effective way to do this. Number 1, count your blessings. Start with all the things that you currently have. Number 2, find what gives you a feeling of fulfillment. Number 3, cultivate different areas of your life and interests. Number 4, tell yourself, I love you every single day. Number 5, learn something new. Number 6, don't get offended easily. Start small if things look overwhelming. Send Reiki to help calm your nerves, your space, and any body part that is experiencing the vibrational dissonance. Pay attention to your thoughts. Take slow, deep breaths to stay in the present moment. Number 1, begin to notice your thoughts. Number 2, look for 3 positive things every single day. Number 3, give someone a compliment. Number 4, give a helping hand to a stranger or a friend. Number 5, look after your body, mind, soul, and spirit. Number 6, do something that you really enjoy. If your inner thoughts are kicking your booty, send it Reiki. Negotiate a window of time to address those thoughts. Challenge your thoughts. Are they real or just overthinking? Doing these small changes a little at a time helps improve your mindset that get you ready for success and abundance. Now, if this sounds like it's too much, then download a copy of the Reiki Self-Healing Guide and start there. I hope this video helps you in your journey and all that comes to you be for your highest good. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell for more videos. Thank you. Bye for now.